In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Axiom Trade chart. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker and Twitter tracker, a great P&L tracker, an amazing reward system which basically just gives you Solana back for trading. You can trade perpetuals, you can use their turbo mode for faster fills, use their presets down here via which you can just change and adjust your slippage, priority, and bribe fees for both buys and sells, and then you can also use their filters. They have a lot of amazing filters, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. So to actually reset Axiom trade charts, here's what you have to do. You have to open up one of these tokens, so whichever one. And then there's two things you can do. Now the first one is by clicking on this cog icon, not the top one, but this one over here. Click on chart settings, and then here to actually reset that, click on template, and then here you want to click on apply defaults. It's going to apply defaults and click on OK, and that's the first part done. However, of course, if you've been changing anything on these chart settings up here, you can just adjust that and basically make it normal, and this is the way you do it. So for example, let's say you've selected this and then set some random colors for that. You can just click all of these buttons over here, which will reset everything to the default color in case, of course, you have changed it prior to that. However, this thing that you're seeing right now is basically the default setup. So in case you want to set it up for yourself, this is what this should look like. And then this is what it should look like for the bubbles, which you can also reset the default color by pressing these buttons over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.